Don't miss this vehicle. Make a great choice today with this must-have ride. Learn more about this vehicle by contacting the dealership today and complete your driving dreams, and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tow hitch, electronic stability control, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, rear step bumper, front wheel independent suspension, tires, front all season. Come take a test drive today.